Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a powerful little trick in Python, Regex library. Let's say you want to match everything in a sentence, letters, numbers, special characters, literally everything. Here is a catch. You don't want to create a list, you just want to check or grab the entire sentence in one clean match. Check this out. In one clean match. Check this out. Now let's just check the code. Yes, we got the match. So let me just break it down. Okay, this caret sign says start from the beginning, and then this pattern is a sneaky combo that means match anything, white space or not, and then this plus means keep matching as long as you find it more stuff, and this dollar sign locks it to the end, right? And we have used this rematch function to ensure the whole string follows this rule from the start to finish, right? And then so this is it. So this method is super clean, especially when you don't want the clutter of list or multiple method matches. So next time you need to match an entire sentence, this pattern got your back. So if this helped you, drop a like, hit a subscribe,